Hey guys, this is Luis. Thank you so much for being a member of this channel. I just wanted to make a short video to let you know that I am not going to be posting on this channel anymore because I have another channel that I've been consistently posting on. And I was basically just doing two channels at the same time and pretty much with the same content. But I have been posting there regularly, and that channel has really taken off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop posting anymore. I'm not going to do any more videos here. So if you would do me a favor, I would be honored if you join that channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description, and also I'm going to write it right here on the screen. So you can just take 1 second, look me up and join that channel. On Mondays, I do sort of a instructional video where I talk about different topics. And then on Thursdays or Fridays, I do either a stretching video or an actual workout. So I'm going to start doing that soon. So if you go over there and join, I would really appreciate it. And I want to thank you for being a member of this channel. And so let's keep growing together on the other one. And when I say growing, I mean growing the channel, not us. We want to lose all the fat and stay thin, especially as we get into our 50s and 60s and 70s and 80s. So thank you so much. And so go on over there, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.